Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn Mandarin for Beginners. Starting from this lesson, we are going to explore one of the most important tools for learning Mandarin, Pinyin. You've already seen Pinyin in our previous videos, the letters written in red above the Chinese characters. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important parts of Pinyin, tones. As always, you can find a free worksheet linked below to help you practice. 第3课，拼音基础，音调。Lesson 3, Pinyin Basics, tones. Before we start, what are tones? Chinese Mandarin is a tonal language. This means that the pitch of your voice can change the meaning of a word, even if the pinyin spelling is the same. In Mandarin, there are 4 main tones, plus a neutral tone. In this lesson, we'll go through all of them one by one. The first tone is high and steady, like holding a musical note. For example, ma, which means mother. Try to keep your voice level and high without rising or falling. Repeat after me. Ma. Once again. Ma. Awesome. The second tone starts lower and rises upward, similar to the intonation you use when asking a question in English, like what? For example, ma, which means hemp. Repeat after me. Ma. Once again. Ma. The third tone goes down and then up. In slow, careful speech, it has a clear dip. For example, ma, which means horse. Don't rush it. Let your voice sink, then rise. Repeat after me. Ma. Once again. Ma. In real conversations, the third tone is often shortened. So it's not about making a perfect deep curve. Instead, focus on making it sound like a turn in your voice. We will do more practices in later lessons. The fourth tone is sharp and falling, like giving a firm command. For example, ma, which means scold. Start high and drop your voice quickly. You can also imagine you are strongly agreeing with someone, like the tone of yeah or Repeat after me. Ma. Once again. Ma. Perfect. Let's compare all 4 tones. Listen carefully to the pitch changes and repeat after me. Ma, 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 ma. Once again. Ma, 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 ma. Awesome. So for the last one, some syllables don't carry a full tone. This is called the neutral tone. It is lighter and shorter, and it usually appears in sentence particles or the last character of a phrase. For example, ma, which is a question particle. If we put it in a really simple sentence, like 是吗? means really or is that so? Let's try it one more time. 是吗? You've already seen neutral tones in reduplicated words, such as 谢谢. Once again, 谢谢. Here's another example. 宝宝 means babe, which you can use in romantic relationships. It also has the meaning of sweetie. Once again, 宝宝. You may already noticed that when we put a single character, 宝, into a duplicated word like 宝宝, the curve is not that obvious anymore. So here is one important thing to remember. Tones don't have fixed absolute pitch levels. When reading longer phrases or sentences, imagine you are singing. As long as you follow the relative direction of each tone, your Mandarin will sound much more natural. Now let's review. Here is a classic Chinese tongue twister for practicing the full tones, which is 妈妈骑马马慢妈妈骂马. For better understanding, we can divide it into 3 sentences, which means Mom rides a horse. The horse is slow, so Mom scolds the horse. Let's try it again. 妈妈骑马马慢妈妈骂马. Perfect. That's it for today's lesson on Mandarin tones. 谢谢. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Mandarin lessons. You can find and download the free worksheet in the description area for extra practice. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. 下次见. See you next time.